In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add Google Sheets inside N8n so you can start automating your data with confidence. To begin, open your browser and head to the official N8n website. Sign into your account, and if you're new, simply create one before moving forward. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see the option to create a new workflow. Select it and then choose the action that allows you to pick an app. This is where you search for Google Sheets. When Google Sheets appears, click on it and choose the specific action you want to use. You can pick anything from reading data to updating or creating new rows. After selecting your action, you'll need to connect your Google Sheets account to N8n. To do that, click the button that says Add Credential. This is important because it lets N8n access your spreadsheet securely. Now enter your Google account details so N8n can verify your connection. The platform will validate your information, making sure everything is correct and secure. Once your credentials pass validation, save them. This allows you to use Google Sheets in any workflow without entering details again. With your account connected and validated, Google Sheets is now fully integrated into N8n. You can pull data, update spreadsheets, automate your reporting, or even build entire systems that run with no manual effort at all. That's all you need to do. Your Google Sheets integration is complete, and your workflow options just expanded in a big way. Enjoy building and automating within N8n.